Okay, my dad just got the scissors, so let's get opening. This first. Okay. This is a bit harder than I thought, but it's okay. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's just leave this right here. Any more? Let's see. Okay, anything else? Okay, let's open this one. I think this is the guide because I have seen lots of guides before. I hope I didn't cut it. I just really... Oh, it is right. Wait. Oh, these are so cute. These are the flowers on. I hope I get this one because this is puffy. What? I got these two. So cute. I know these. Let's see what it says. These ones smell like marshmallows. So cool. My friend also has these, and I got two of them, and they both smell like marshmallows. I was thinking if they could smell like marshmallows. Let's get this one out. And also, this is way harder than you think. It is. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a little mini version. So cute. Let's get the other mini version. Oh, I already opened this quick. Okay, these are all surprises, and I think there's one missing. I think there's one here. Okay, don't know what's going on, but there's just one. Let me see, there's one missing one. Okay, I think there's one missing. Okay, none of them are missing, so let's just start opening these. These are so cool. I'm just see what I got quickly. Wow, so cute. He's so soft. Okay, now let's open the other one. I am so excited to see who we get next. Okay, we got these two. These are so cute. Okay, there's something special about these because do you see these? Okay, so do you see this keychain? We can just do this one, and we can hang this right here. And now look, we can carry this wherever we want. So cool, isn't it? Okay, so let's see who we got. So we got, okay, let's see. Where is she? She's so cute. Okay, I think one of the marshmallow ones. Okay. Her name is Mumpy. That's a really funny name. Okay, and her name is Mosh. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, well, where do you think we should put these stickers? And I think we have missing a blind bag. So, I'll see you guys later in my other channels. So, bye-bye. This is the end of the video.